project was about an LED cube, which is 8 by 8 by 8. It's connected to the computer through the Arduino, and we are meant to show some visualizations on the cube. I handled the pin connection, and as you can see here, we have two boards. We have a multiplexer over here and 8 decoders over here. These are the data bus pins to light up each of the LEDs separately. And this is the VCC and ground. We connected each decoder to a resistor so that each LED has its own resistor so that it does not burn up. And then we connected the data bus to port B on the Arduino over here, if you can see. And here are the selection lines for the multiplexer. And this is the enable or the tri-state buffer to enable the LEDs. And we connected a button to change the visualizations based on a high to low signal connected from the VCC to port 13 on the Arduino.
I handled soldering some of cube LEDs. In the cube, the horizontal legs represent or for the ground, and the vertical LEDs for the VCC. To light up one LED, we need to through the ground light all the layer, and from the VCC light the vertical LED, and the LED in the intersection between the VCC and the ground will light up. And I handled some of soldering in the board and testing some short circuits left that makes problems in the lighting.
Now I'm going to show what are the components that we use to construct our board. We have 64 cables connected to the anode legs of the cube. Each of these cables are connected to a resistor and a latch. From the board down there, we have the data bus connected, which are the red wires. They are connected each of the latches, and finally connected to the Arduino connector, which is over here. Also, we have the output enable, which is the green wire, connected to also the Arduino connector. And we have the clock pins of each of the latches, which are connected in the blue wires to the decoder, which is here. Also, the 3 selection lines for this decoder are these blue wires, which are connected to the Arduino, along with the output enable wire and the 8 data bus pins.
Okay, so after we finish the hardware part of connecting the board with the LED cube, we go to the next part, which is writing the code on the Arduino IDE, which gives the board the commands it needs to light up the LEDs we require exactly, so that we can produce the animation that we want. After opening up the IDE and writing up the code that enables us to light up each LED individually, we have written code which produces animation that we will show you now.